Hello all, good morning. I am Lalitha Devi at Luri, working as Assistant Professor in G. Pullareddy College of Pharmacy. In this tutorial, today I'll teach you how to do WordPress web page for free. First of all, Google the term WordPress. So then you'll be redirected to wordpress.com official site. This is the official site, wordpress.com. Here you can find the option Get Started for free. There are some basic questions. We need to answer these questions before creating the actual site. So this is regarding the site creation only. So the site is about what would you like to name your site and what will your site be about and what is the primary goal you have for your site. We need to answer these questions before proceeding. So I would like to name my site as Lalitha Devi, and my site is basically about education in pharmacy. Now the primary goal of my site is offering education, training, mentoring, and it has to showcase my portfolio. And it has to share the ideas, experiences, updates, reviews, stories, videos or photos. And upon selecting the options here, click on continue. Now we have to give some keyword that has to be seen on the website. So the keyword that I am going to give is Lalitha. So there are some free version as well as paid versions for the web domain. Now I will be choosing the free version, which is best for students. So here you click on this start with free for which is best for students. I am clicking on it. And now the site is created, and upon clicking on continue, you will be redirected to the basic home page of the site. Here on the right hand side of the screen, we can find the option called customize, and these are the different options available here: home, contact, search. By default, these options have come. Now upon clicking on customize, we can do customization to the site. This is the control panel which was there on the left side of the screen. We can control or customize site identity, colors, backgrounds, fonts, header image. We can add header image, and options like menus and widgets were there, and basic setting home page was there, and AMP was there. Now here we'll see one by one. Site identity. If you wanted to change the keyword of your site, we can do that, editing. You can also give some tagline to the basic site and add logo by browsing from the desktop or from media files. So remember, whenever we do any change, we need to update and we have to say publish. Once site identity is over, we'll go with the colors and backgrounds. These are the some basic available colors. We can apply any of the color to our home page or to our website. So if you doesn't like these colors, we can also pick our own color by clicking on it. So here, if you take this, the color will appear like this. If you wanted to publish, then you have to click on the publish option. If it doesn't like it, you leave it. Once colors and backgrounds are customized, we can go with the fonts. Some default fonts for the heading and the base font were already selected. If you doesn't like that, you can also select any of the fonts available here. In the base font, any font of your choice you can select. And the size of the font can be normal, large, huge, etc. Whatever size you are comfortable, you can select that. Click on Publish button and go back. Now header image. We can change this header image by clicking on it. And by clicking on Add New Image, we can change the header image. Now menus. So under menus, we can add some pages to our basic website. So click on Primary. We have the option already existing were Home and Contact. So if we wanted to add more pages to the existing website, we can click on Add Items. So in this, you have to give some title to your new page. Let us say I would like to name the page as fdp.101x. This page I would like to add. So type the page name and press on Add. So automatically the page has come over here. And one more thing is that the alignment, the position of this page, where would you like to locate the page? You can customize that also by shuffling it. So for example, I would like to add one more page here. Click on Add a New Page. Type blog. I would like to add blog as another page and click on Add. So it has come over here. Now I would like to position my blog page below the contact page, adjacent to contact page. So you can reshuffle it like this. Now once the reshuffling is done, if you are done with your pages, click on Publish, which is very important. Otherwise the changes that you have made will not be published in the site. Click on Publish. So the changes were published. Now go back to the control panel. Widgets. Widgets, you can add information by clicking on Add a Widget. You can give the information which is ranging from audio to authors, blogs I follow, blog stats, calendar, categories, etc. Now the important one that is commonly useful for all is calendar as well as contact information. Now first of all we'll see the contact information and map. So contact information and map, you can give title to your contact information and change the address which has come by default. I am giving this as G. Pulla Reddy, College of Pharmacy. This is in Mehdipatnam. Hyderabad. You can give phone number and you can also edit the hours here. That is from what time to what time you are available. AM to 5 PM. So once these changes are done, you can, if you don't want this information, you can press delete, or if you're done with the information, you can click done, or else directly you can publish. Once this is published, go back to the widget area again and then add a widget. Here we have information about different things. Press on calendar. You can add calendar to the website. If you wanted to give any title for that, you can give, or else you press on publish. Now once everything is done, you go back to the basic site and click on the site name. So here the changes that we have done have reflected here in the website. So here is the option for contact, blog and FDP 101X, and even Google Maps were displayed for the address we have given, and the calendar that we have added in the widget area was also seen. Now the thing is, we can also edit, press edit. If you don't want the image that was there, you can add whatever the information you wanted to have by clicking on add, media, any photograph you can place, or else if you wanted to change, you can use this insert and press on update. So have a preview of the site. Close it. Then go to My Sites. Here under My Sites, we have the option called Themes. So we can customize the themes if we want. There are different themes based on the alignment, layout, based on the feature, subject and style. Some themes are paid themes, some are free themes. We'll go with the free themes here. Scroll down. Here you can find some free themes. So we'll choose this. After choosing, you can activate this design by pressing activation button and press on customize site. And go back to the original site. This is how we can do some changes and we can add information to the site. Upon clicking view site, you can view your site like this. Thank you.